Today we are discussing the continuation paper of 2019 HCU Animal Biotechnology paper from the 51st question, and starting with 51st question, which one of the following is not a hermaphrodite? And for this, option B is the correct one. Option B is the tilapia is not a hermaphrodite. And next 52, intracellular store of calcium is mainly stored in the organelle endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a calcium transporter, and here the intracellular store of calcium is endoplasmic reticulum. B is the correct option. And next 53rd one, how many isomers are possible for pentane? For the pentane, the possible isomers are 3. B option is the correct one. And next 54th one, which of the following is not true about retroviruses? What are retroviruses? The retroviruses are mainly used as the vectors to integrate the genome into host chromosome. And here these retroviruses, they contains the RNA genome, and also they contain reverse transcriptase, and they also integrated into the host chromosome. But D option is not the correct one. Why? Because it does not carry their own reverse transcriptase and can produce progeny without a host. Viruses, they mainly require a host to reproduce and to produce a progeny. That means the option D is the correct one, which is not true about retroviruses. Which of the following is not true about retroviruses means option D is the correct one. And next coming to the fifth one. In humans and mammals, the main nitrogenous waste in humans is mainly urea. Is mainly excreted in the form of urea. That is the main nitrogenous waste. That is the urea is the correct option for fifth one. Next 56th one. Which of the following enzymes is present in snake venom? And here option B is the correct one. Phospholipase A2 is the correct one. What are phospholipases? Phospholipases, these are the enzyme which hydrolyzes the phospholipids, and many types of them. They cleave the phosphodiester bonds mainly, and many types of phospholipases are present, mainly A1, A2, C and D. And first A1, it cleaves the fatty acyl group at C1 position. It cleaves the fatty acid at C1 position. Whereas phospholipase A2, it hydrolyzes the fatty acid at C2 position. And these phospholipase A2 and its snake venom and bee venom are rich sources of phospholipase A2. And this enzyme is found in many tissues and pancreatic juices. And this snake venom and bee venom, and they contain mainly the enzyme phospholipase A2. And next coming to the 57th one, use and disuse theory was elaborated by Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Option A is the correct one. Lamarck theory is also called as use and disuse theory. And next 58th one, which of the following is a carbohydrate with no nutritional value? Here glycogen is the storage form, and it has the nutritional value. Dextrin also, it is in the form of sugar. Starch also. And here the wrong option is the cellulose. With no nutrition value means here cellulose is the correct carbohydrate. Cellulose is a carbohydrate with no nutritional value because animals cannot digest cellulose. Okay, next 59th one, most important reason for the declining trend of biodiversity means declining trend means habitat destruction. Habitat destruction causes the declining trend of biodiversity. For the 59th one, option A is the correct one. And next coming to the 60th one, kinetic energy of an article of 20 grams is 4 joule, while that of another article of same mass is 16 joules. Hence velocity ratio of their motion is. What is the kinetic energy formula? Of mv square. Here mass is same means mass is cancelled. and here we have to calculate velocity ratio from the kinetic energies. First, the kinetic energy of first article is 4 joule, that means 4 by 16 gives equal to 4 by 16 equal to the V1 square by V2 square, and here V1 square by V2 square, that gives rise to the 4 by 16, then V1 by V2 becomes root of 4 by 16, and root of 4 by 16 means 2 by 4. 2 by 4 gives rise to the 1:2. Hence C option is the correct one. And next coming to the a virus mediated delivery of DNA into mammalian cells. Virus mediated delivery of DNA. Transformation is the direct delivery of DNA into the host cells, whereas the transduction requires the bacteriophages, and transfection means it requires the viruses for the delivery of DNA into mammalian cells, and transversion, it is a type of mutation. And next 62, the term open mitosis is used in the following context. Here open mitosis means nuclear envelope breaks down before the chromosomes separate. Here open mitosis means nuclear envelope breaks down before the chromosomes separate. Option A is the correct one. And next 63rd one, the following amino acid does not contribute the fluorescence of a protein, and here tryptophan, tyrosine, phenylalanine, aromatic amino acids, they contribute the fluorescence of a protein, but serine is not contribute the fluorescence of a protein. Hence C option is the correct one. For the 63rd one, C option is the correct one. And next for 64th, which one of the following is not a hallmark of cancer? Hallmark of cancer means it indefinite growing cells are called cancerous cells. And here halted angiogenesis. Angiogenesis means it leads to the formation of blood vessels. Here cancerous means it leads to the indefinite growth of blood vessels or blood cells or other cells. That means the halted angiogenesis, it is not a hallmark of cancer, whereas sustained angiogenesis, self-sufficiency in growth signals, insensitivity to anti-growth signals, these are a hallmark of cancer. As D option is the not a hallmark of cancer. Hence D option is the correct one for this. Next 65th one. Next, when chloroform is heated with aqueous NaOH, it gives sodium formate. Next 66th one, angiogenesis refers to the generation of new blood vessels. Option D is the correct one. Option D is the correct one. Next, the most common configuration of amino acids and DNA respectively is, amino acid configuration is mainly of L amino acids, whereas DNA is of mainly B type. B type DNA is present. And carbohydrates means D sugars. D sugars or carbohydrates means D carbohydrates. The most common configuration of amino acids and DNA respectively is L and D. Option A is the correct one. And next 68th one, the theory of evolution by natural selection was independently developed by Charles Darwin and Alfred Wallace. Charles Darwin and Alfred Wallace. B option is the correct one. Next 69th one, enthalpy content is 0 in one of the following. Sodium, solid state. In sodium is solid state. It has the enthalpy content is 0. And next coming to the 70th one, and the specificity of an antibody is due to. Coming to the structure of antibody, it consists of heavy chain and light chain. Heavy chain and light chains mainly consist of the variable portions. The variable portions are mainly responsible for the antigen binding sites. Hence, here the specificity of an antibody is mainly due to the variable portion of the heavy and light chains. And next coming to 71, the process by which malignant cell spreads in the body is called. Malignant cell means it is a characteristic feature of cancerous cell. They show metastasis. Malignant cell spreads in the body, that is called as the metastasis process. Metastasis process. And next 72 one, the first part of small intestine is first part of small intestine. Intestine consists of duodenum, jejunum, ileum. And here the first part of the small intestine is called as the duodenum. And next jejunum and next ileum. That means here option D is the correct one. And next 73. Which one of the following compounds will react with ammonical silver nitrate? Ammonical silver Tolling's reagent. Which one of the following compounds will react with ammonical silver nitrate means option B is the correct one. 1-butane. 1-butane reacts with ammonical silver nitrate. Next, which one of the following is a polymer of fructose? Polymer of fructose, inulin. Inulin is the polymer of fructose. And remaining cellulose, dextrin, glycogen, these consist of the glucose units. And whereas inulin consists of the fructose units. Hence option A is the correct one. Next, 75th one. Cytochalasis will interfere with actin polymerization if cytokalasin is added to cultured mammalian cells that have just begun mitosis. What is most likely to happen? Here, cytokalasis means normally they arrest the cytokinesis process mainly. That means here mitosis will complete but cytokinesis gets arrested. Mitosis means it requires karyokinesis and cytokinesis process. That means the mitosis up to karyokinesis process completed but cytokinesis gets arrested when cytokalases are introduced. That means when these are added to the culture media containing mammalian cells, and that causes the mitosis will complete but cytokinesis gets arrested. That means option B is the correct one for the 75th one. And next, which one of the following is incorrect but the secondary structure of proteins? The secondary structure means first the primary structure of proteins means linear amino acids, and next secondary structure of proteins that consists of alpha helix and beta sheet. And these alpha helix and beta sheets they are formed by forming the hydrogen bonds. And here alpha helix and beta sheets are examples of secondary structure. It is the correct one. And next, intermolecular and intramolecular hydrogen bonds are important in stabilizing secondary structure. It is also correct. And glycine, alanine are abundant in beta pleated sheet. It is also correct. Whereas aromatic amino acids participate in beta sheet formation. It is not the correct option. Aromatic amino acid does not participate in beta sheet formation. Hence option B is the incorrect one about the secondary structure of protein, and B option is the correct one. And next 77. With regard to DNA quantity, the correct order for different phases of cell cycle. And here with regard to DNA quantity regarding the correct order for different phases of cell cycle. Normally in S phase DNA synthesis is started, means it is increasing after S phase. First G1 phase, next S phase, next G2 phase. And here in the G2 phase the DNA quantity is more, hence the G2 is in the first place. That means G2 greater than S greater than G1. That means C option is the correct one. And next, effect of temperature on viscosity is given by, it was given by Hole theory. Effect of temperature on viscosity is given by Hole theory. And next, which one of the following is a substrate specific enzyme? Substrate specific enzyme. And here substrate specific enzyme means lactase. Lactase mainly depends on the substrates, and it is a substrate specific enzyme. And next, conjugate base of Zn+2 is conjugate base. Base means here ZnOH+. ZnOH+ is the conjugate base of Zn+2. And next 81. The three domains of life in biology. Main domains of life are archaea, eukarya and bacteria. These are the major domains. Archaea, eukarya and bacteria are the major three domains of life in biology. That means A option is the correct one. And next 82. The first immunoglobulin heavy chain that is expressed on the surface of newly produced B cells. And here newly produced B cells, and that produces the mainly immunoglobulin heavy chain of IgM. In the primary immune response, it mainly produces the IgM. Okay, and next, a gametophyte is a dash plant that produces gametes by. Here, gametophyte means it is a haploid plant and that produces gametes by mitosis process. And next, 84th one, the pathway for glucose synthesis by non-carbohydrate precursors, it is called as a gluconeogenesis. Glucose synthesis by non-carbohydrate precursors is called as the gluconeogenesis process. And next, 85th one, optical isomers that are not mirror images are called mirror images, not mirror images, optical isomers. And here the optical isomers that are not mirror images means that are called diastereomers, whereas the mirror images are called as enantiomers. Here that are not mirror images means here option A is the correct one, that is the diastereomers. And next, 86th one, the enzyme that catalyzes the direct transfer and incorporation of oxygen into a substrate molecule, and that is the here enzyme that can directly it transfers the oxygen into a substrate means oxygenase. Oxygenase enzyme directly introduces the oxygen into a substrate molecule. And next, 87th one, the ecological pyramid that is always tried, it is pyramid of energy. Ecological pyramid that is always tried is the pyramid of energy. And here next, 88th one, acetone undergoes reduction with hydrogen in presence of NaOH to form propane. This reaction is known as, this reaction is called as Wolff-Kishner reduction. Acetone undergoes reduction with hydrogen in presence of NaOH. That reaction is called as the Wolff-Kishner reduction. And next, 89th one, allosteric inhibitor of an enzyme. It enhances catalytic action, binds to active site, enacts feedback regulation, denatures it. Here, allosteric inhibitor, it does not enhances catalytic action and it does not binds to the active site, binds to the allosteric site. Hence, option C is the correct one. It enacts the feedback regulation. It causes the feedback regulation. Next, 90th one. Which one of the following nutrients is rich in cholesterol? Cholesterol is mainly rich in egg yolk. Egg yolk is mainly rich in cholesterol. It is mainly present in egg yolk. And that is the option B is the correct one. And next, integrity of DNA is assessed at this checkpoint. Here, integrity of DNA is assessed at this checkpoint, and for this normally S phase is mainly responsible for the synthesis of DNA, and after this G2 phase is mainly responsible for the checking of integrity of DNA. And next, for the 92 one, in a mercury battery the cathode is made up of steel in contact with HgO. Mercury battery, the cathode is made up of steel in contact with HgO. And next, 93rd one, the major role of Golgi operators. Golgi operators is mainly responsible for the glycosylation of lipids and proteins. Glycosylation of lipids and proteins. Whereas ubiquitination means here endoplasm critically is mainly responsible for ubiquitination. Glycosylation is of lipids and proteins is main role of Golgi operators. And next, if there are only 20 individuals left in a population, then as per the IUCN, it would be kept under the category. IUCN means natural committee, nature committee, and this consists of, if there are only 20 individuals left in a population, as per the natural committee, it would be kept under the category of, here option critically endangered. Only 20 individuals means already in endangered condition, but is here in critically endangered condition. Critically endangered condition. Next, 95th one, diethyl ether on heating with excess concentrated HI, it gives rise to the ethyl iodide. Ethyl iodide. And next 96 one, the photosensitive part of rod cells. Rod cells are mainly made up of rhodopsin. The photosensitive part of rod cells are made up of rhodopsin. And next ectoderm. Ectoderm gives rise to nervous system. Ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. During the birth, embryonic stages of ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm are present, and here the ectoderm that mainly gives rise to the nervous system. And next 98th one, the enzyme that synthesizes DNA from an mRNA template, mRNA to DNA, is by the enzyme. Which enzyme is responsible for the formation of DNA from mRNA template? Here option D is the correct one. Reverse transcriptase is mainly responsible for the synthesis of DNA from mRNA template. Next, the energy of oxidation is initially trapped as high energy phosphate compound and then used to form ATP. Which one of the following intermediates of glycolysis is a high energy compound? Here high energy compound is phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate. It is trapped as high energy phosphate compound. And next D is the option. D option is the correct one for the 99th one. And next, which one of the following hormones is not related to osmoregulation? Osmoregulation means here mainly corticosteroids. Corticosteroids are not related to osmoregulation. Vasopressin, aldosterone, oxytocin, these are mainly related to osmoregulation. Whereas corticosteroid, it is not related to osmoregulation. And these are the questions of 2019 paper Animal Biotechnology. That again, first coming to the, already you came the question of PCR, polymerase chain reaction. How many copies are produced after 7 cycles? And here how to calculate this? What is the formula for the formation of DNA fragment after many cycles of PCR means? The formula is 2 power n. Here 2 power 7 cycles means 2 power 7. 2 power 7 means it gives rise to the 128. Okay. Here this one for the 24th one. How to calculate for this? 2 power 7, that gives to the 128. And also for the 21st one, and 1.2 kilobase pair. 1.2 kilobase pair means here in the unique side first E carbon it gives 400 base pairs and PST1 side 550 base pairs, and totally how much? And totally how much? 950. But here 1200 base pair segment. 950. Okay, 950 plus 150, that gives rise to the total fragments. That means 400 at eco-R1 side, PST1 side at 650 base pairs, and the remaining fragment is a 150 base pair. Option A is the correct one for the 21st one. Okay, and this is the paper of Animal Biotechnology 2019 HCU paper. Okay, thank you.